everyone! Today we are going to make a pom-pom baby mobile. So we will need lots of yarn, a pom-pom maker, scissors, tapestry needle, crochet needle, embroidery hoop, or anything else to hang the pom-poms. So with the pom-pom maker and the yarn we start making the pom-poms. Once the pom-poms are made, we use another piece of yarn and the tapestry needle to hang the pom-poms. We can also wrap with the yarn the embroidery hoop all around. It will look even better. With the crochet needle we can also make a hoop to hang the mobile. And now everything is done. I hope you like this project. Thanks for watching.